Alright, so while we wait for parts for this car, I'm gonna update you guys on this car. I know I left you guys like on a cliffhanger, did the transmission installed, you know, got it all finished up, and I never came back and show you guys what the car could do. So we're gonna do that right now. Let's take it out for a spin. Oh, and just real quick, for those who watched my previous video regarding the Supra, I pretty much have it narrowed down to what the issue is. Went out driving and I kind of was keeping an eye on a few things, and it's actually a voltage related issue. I added another ground, and then I also found a loose ground on the engine block. That helped. It didn't cut out as bad, but it's still, the voltage dropped slightly, so I ordered a new alternator. So till we get that, we're gonna mess around with this car. Any of y'all have a car that's so loud that you have to roll it out of your driveway? Alright. Yeah, so now the shifts are going perfectly. I can downshift, upshift. I don't have to be moving with the shifter like I used to. It's pretty nice, man. I mean, especially after you spend that much money on one of these transmissions, it better be crispy. Whenever I was having this transmission built, the guys over at Jack's Performance, they asked me a bunch of questions about the car. You know, what was the setup, engine, turbos, like what was the point of the car, like everything. You know, so that way they could build the transmission exactly for my setup. And I think they did just that, man. It runs really, really well. You guys are fixing to see. This sun's always messing up my videos, man. See if you guys can see this. Oh, that car got in my way. I'm gonna show you guys some brake boosting at about 35-40 miles an hour. My seatbelt gets tight. That was like on the lowest boost setting. Turn it up a little bit. So I want to see if I can show you guys like a dig. You guys could tell the difference on that on the higher boost setting. Holy smokes. All right, I'm gonna come to a stop here. I'm risking it for you guys. Put my emergency lights on. That was a big risk. Man, I roasted this crap out of the tires, man. That wasn't the smartest thing I've ever done. I don't know if you guys could tell, but the car was just smoking the tires out really bad. Now, one thing I am gonna do to this car is, so I have the oil cooler on the front of the bumper, but it's actually right next to one of the downpipes from the turbos, so it gets really hot. So what I'm gonna be doing very soon is I'm gonna actually relocate that oil cooler with the fan to the rear of the car, so that way it's not getting heat soaked with all that exhaust, with all the exhaust heat. Do a little pull on the highest setting, see how it does. Holy shit! Woo! Yeah, she's good. Holy fuck! Yeah, she's good. Holy smokes! That wasn't. Oh, I can't even talk. That was pretty intense. Alright, there you go, guys. You guys see the car, it runs good. Man, it had been a while since I had done that. I had forgotten how fast this car was, man. Holy shit. Yeah, this thing's nasty. You guys see that? Just roasting the tires in first gear. Oh man, she's a feisty one for sure. Yeah, but I definitely have to move that the oil cooler. I'm at 200 degrees on the trans temps. That's way too hot. I mean, you guys imagine I'm building, you know, 16, 17, 18 pounds of boost. All that heat from that downpipe is literally like this far away from the oil cooler, so it's getting really hot. So once I move it to the back with the fan, it should be perfect. Let's see if we can do something else. Do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do some brake boosting. Alright. Yeah, that's enough, you guys. That's enough. She's good. She's real good. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the boost controller now. Let's get this baby back home before it gets me in trouble. And this car definitely has gotten me in trouble plenty of times before. Alright, so we made it home just on time. The car was actually on fire. When I pulled up, it started smoking all through the vents, so thankfully I have these vents. And my turbo blink, it was actually catching on fire. It was smoking like crazy. So it might be time to get some new ones. That has never happened before, but these things are old and crusty. You guys can see how the interior is like breaking up. I didn't even know that stuff was flammable, but thankfully I got here right on time, because that could have been really bad if I kept on driving. Always trust your instincts, you guys. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a very crazy, I guess it's been a long time. It felt absolutely insane. That was fast. So hope you guys enjoyed that, you guys. Catch you guys on the next video. Later.